drastically improve its business environment. Vietnam's South Central provinces prepare for Typhoon Molave, and more than 60 million early votes have been cast in the U.S. presidential election. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Nguyễn Xuân Phúc asked Phu Thọ province on Tuesday to drastically improve its business environment and restructure the economy to tap local potential. Addressing the 19th Party Congress of Phu Thọ province, the Prime Minister stressed the need for administrative reforms.
Tỉnh cần tập trung cải cách hành chính, sắp xếp bộ máy tinh gọn.
The province needs to focus on administrative reform, develop high-quality human resources, and improve service for the people, and increase their trust to the party and the administration. It is important to mobilize resources to upgrade strategic infrastructure like industrial zones, tourism sites, and inter-regional sites. We need breakthrough policies to attract investment in 7 industrial zones and 2 industrial clusters amid the current shift of the global supply chain.
Thanh Hóa province needs to use its potential to boost its growth and make up a development quadrangular in the north together with Hải Phòng, Hanoi and Quảng Ninh province, said National Assembly Chairwoman Nguyễn Thị Kim Ngân. Addressing the 19th Party Congress of Thanh Hóa province, Ms. Ngân said Thanh Hóa province enjoys advantages for further development, including a strategic location in terms of economics, national defense and security, rich natural resources, a large natural area, potential human resources and recent achievements, Ngân said.
Cần chú ý quy hoạch đô thị tỉnh Thanh Hóa phải theo hướng.
The province needs to allocate resources between regions properly and increase links with urban areas in the northern and north central region, combine traditional and modern aspects, be environmentally friendly, and promote innovation to boost economic growth. It is important to strengthen cooperation with provinces in the north central region and Hanoi to promote investment and trade, mobilize resources, attract high-quality human resources, focus on science research and technology transfer, and develop interprovincial tours.
Speaker of the National Assembly of the Republic of Korea, Park Byung-suk, and his wife will pay an official visit to Vietnam from October the 31st to November the 4th. The visit comes at the invitation of Chairwoman of the National Assembly, Nguyễn Thị Kim Ngân. According to a statement of the National Assembly Committee for External Relations, Vietnam-Republic of Korea relations have developed on the basis of political trust between the two countries' high-ranking leaders, similarities in history and culture, mutual economic assistance, and people-to-people exchanges. In response to Typhoon Molave, localities in Vietnam's South Central region are making plans to evacuate residents from vulnerable areas and fishing boat anchorages by 6:30 p.m. on Tuesday. The Da Nang City People's Committee has asked localities to evacuate people by 4:30 p.m. and closely monitor the storm's progress to react to emergency situations. The Da Nang People's Committee Vice Chairman Lê Trung Chính said.
Thực hiện sự chỉ đạo của Thủ tướng Chính phủ, thì thành phố Đà Nẵng cũng đã chỉ đạo các sở ban ngành, các
Following the direction of the Prime Minister, Da Nang has directed localities to immediately evacuate people from the danger zone and check all constructions, dams, antennas, and cranes that could endanger people's safety.
At an online meeting on flood and storm response on Monday, Mr. Lê Chí Thành, chairman of the Quảng Nam Provincial People's Committee, asked localities to evacuate people from places with a high risk of landslides. He asked the management board of hydropower plants and reservoirs to take reasonable precautions to ensure safety. Fishermen in Quảng Ngãi province have received information about Typhoon Molave's speed and direction and have returned to ports. 1,200 fishing boats had reached sheltered ports by Monday afternoon. Bình Định and Phú Yên provincial authorities have directed localities to take emergency measures. Leaders of the Voice of Vietnam met with representatives of 15 UN organizations in Vietnam on Tuesday to mark the UN 75th anniversary and VOV 75th founding anniversary. The meeting was a breakthrough in cooperation between VOV and UN agencies. Addressing the meeting, VOV President Nguyễn Thế Kỳ said.
As the national media house, the Voice of Vietnam is always ready to participate in communicating the relationship between Vietnam and the UN and UN member organizations, as well as between Vietnam and other countries. We are very interested that the UN development goals, the One UN program, is being effectively implemented in Vietnam.
The VOV president said that VOV will contribute to increasing public awareness about models, activities, and global values of the UN and increase interaction between Vietnamese people, particularly the young generation, with the UN and UN organizations. Kamal Malhotra, UN resident coordinator in Vietnam, said,
The core principle of the Sustainable Development Goals is leaving no one behind. As we celebrate UN 75, the UN is taking the opportunity to learn more from the people in all corners of the country in order to better understand the needs and aspirations of Vietnamese people and to best support them. We hope that our relationship